So we're up at the deer farm now. We're going to give these bees a quick check, because I've not checked them since I installed them. See if they're relaxed, because I've only got just my bee hat and gloves, because last time these were just so relaxed. So hopefully they're still the same. They're busy. It'd be good to see how much these have built and how much they've grown. So they might even be able to add that extra super for them. We'll see. Anything eventful, and I'll come back and record. If not, I'll come back at the end and just tell you how we got on. Got Ajay still helping me. They seem fairly... They were really calm last time, so we see. So these bees have packed this box out, and they're in the super filling it up with honey. So they're doing really well. They're super calm again, which is a good thing. So we'll dive into the brood box. Maybe we'll see the queenie. Look at that for a brood pattern. The whole frame, and that's the third frame in. But you can see these bees are so relaxed. See fresh eggs down in the bottom, very bottom, around the outer edge. Oh, I thought that was inside my hat then. It's alright, little bee. That's a good laying queen, that, isn't it?
Strong.
Just got to find her. Give her a crown. Where is your queen? She needs a crown. Oh, I squashed that one. So we checked the hive. They're doing really well. They're on every frame, and there's brood on every frame except for the two outer frames, which have got their stores and pollen on. They're resource frames. So we've just given them access to another super, because they were already filling up one super. So now they've got two supers. They're super chilled out bees again. They're doing well. We're getting that good at the smoker that it lasts now and doesn't go out. It stays lit forever.
Isn't it? Strong smoker. Regular smoker.
Isn't it? Heavy smoke, chain smoker. So everything's good with the deer farm bees. We could probably take a split off them soon, because they're worth taking a split off. They're chill, calm bees.
Yeah.
And they've got a really good brood pattern. Lots of brood. They're going to pop. So they can have a split and stuff. And we can get another hive on the stand. We maybe get a queen rearing stand up here.
Get a fair bit off there, already.
That's the deer farm bees done. Got some horsey people down there. Nay, said the horse.